Hi all, and I want to share my Wipro business run experience here. I have cleared my first one. Then I got a mail that you are cleared first one, and you will get business round link. And I got business round link. They have given some timings also. First of all, we need to log into Superset account. First of all, we need to log in into Superset account. After login to Superset account, I did wait at interview section. When I came to interview section, I need to wait for time based on the slot. When my slot came, the interviewer came to call, and he called me. At the time, before calling to you, they will send one message. This is your time. You need to join the call. And I got the message and I joined to the meeting. First question the interview asked is, what is your CGPA? We have to clear with our CGPA because it is the thing makes us shortlist, right? So we need to clear with our CGPA. Next he asked me, are you happy with your CGPA? Here it is a tricky question. If you say if our CGPA, maybe it won't be much effective. So I said, getting placed in Wipro makes me only happy, not with CGPA. I think that it makes me happy. Next question is, what is dynamic allocation? It is a basic question. Next, dangling pointer. It is also basic C programming question. Next, he asked me, will C program execute without main function? It's a very tricky question, but it's a basic question. If you don't know basic question, you can't survive. That's why he asked me that tricky basic question. Actually, the answer is yes. C program will execute without main function also. Okay. He asked me 2-3 times because he need to confuse me. Either I will be confident or not. He checked me. I will be confident or not. And I said, how many times he asked me? I said yes only. So confidence only makes us to get out of the interview. It is the one of the good point. Next question is, what is our family background? That means we need to say what our father will do, what our mother or brother, all those things. Then he asked me, will you code? This is the most decisioning question. This is the question which decides you. Okay. Then I said, yes sir, I will try. What? Will you try? Don't you have confidence? He said. I was shocked and I was nervous. And I said, yes sir, I will do code. I will do it confidently. And I said it confidently. Okay. How did you, he asked me again, how will you prove it? Then said, sir, I have cleared my first one, which contains 2 codes. I have cleared it myself, so I can able to code. That's it. That's the answer. Then he said, okay, thank you. Your interview is done. It's just a 5 minutes of interview. Just what do you learn about this interview is, if you want to prepare for the interview, just what you have to learn is, mainly you should have good communication skills. You should need to talk in English only, and it should be understandable by both you and interviewer. What you said will be understood by definitely interviewer. Then only he will be able to understand what you said. Okay, whether it is good or wrong, it may be not taken, but you should have confidence or not. Only you should have confidence or not. Are you talking good English or not? Those things only matters. Okay. If you said any question wrong answer, if you have confidence, if you said with confidence, definitely you will get it. Okay. Mainly you should have confidence and you should learn some basics of any one language clearly. Because if you don't know any language clearly, you should not get in. If you get in also, then after joining the job, you will get definitely problems. First of all, you need to learn any basic language, any language with basics clearly. If you don't have basics, definitely you can say these questions like you will see program execute without main, dynamic allocation, dangling pointer, These are the very small basic questions. Just you need to say definition and some example with it. You need to say definition, some example, and that example should be related with real life. Okay. Then be prepared with resume content. While you upload resume, just be prepared that you know or not. The contents in your resume you should know. If you know the contents in resume only, you should include it. Either don't include it. Okay, because they will ask only based on your resume only. This is all my experience of my Wipro interview. Thank you.